This is a Nissan Vanette or a NV350. So I've just installed an alarm on this one. So we have the LED down here, ultrasonic internal protection up on the top of the two pillars here, looking real tidy. And I've left the window open, so it all works with the factory remote control. So if I arm it, you'll see the LED comes on solid. That will start flashing after 25 seconds. And this has got the Vodafone Automotive 4822 enhanced CAN bus alarm installed. So it has the horn honk, and it's got a super loud hidden siren, and it's got the immobilizer built in as well. So if I now try and break into the vehicle, another car protected. For more information on car alarms and security systems throughout the Wellington region, check out vehiclesecurity.co.nz.